Come and ride along with Hawkeye and Jeannie as they continue their journey visiting many cities, communities, towns, and other places of interest in California to see what is really going on. Ever since March of the year 2020, people had to adapt to a new way of getting by. The coronavirus, COVID-19 era continued to change our lives. Lifestyles are changing. People are exploring new ways of enduring. Physical distance is now the norm. Hawkeye and Jeannie, after weathering months in self-quarantine, have busted loose and now are living in a van as means to be mobile. They are second-generation hippies and aging baby boomers who are still having fun and on the road. To see who is surviving. Who else might be having fun? Who is still in business and who is not? To determine the new normal. Then report back to you with these short boring videos that are unscripted amateur documentaries of our travels. Kind of like Hugh Hauser style except without the professional cameraman. That is what Hawkeye's Tales and Trails is all about.
What'd you say happened to the zebras?
There's self-quarantine. Probably could up until
they stop and knock on your door. People live there.
1878, is that the year or the address?
That's a good question.
This used to be a mission? Yeah, it looks like it. Or maybe Randolph Hearst used to live here.
Maybe they live here, then up on the hill.
They got a heck of a barbecue or swimming pool up there.
Yeah, but look at the ocean here. Hey, this is where he let his servants live. That's somebody's house.
In episode 25, Hawkeye and Jeannie visit San Simeon, California. 2019 population was 462 residents. San Simeon is a town and census-designated place on the Pacific coast of San Luis Obispo County, California, United States. Its position along State Route 1 is about halfway between Los Angeles and San Francisco, each of those cities being roughly 230 miles away. A key feature of the area is Hearst Castle, a hilltop mansion built by William Randolph Hearst in the early 20th century that is now a tourist attraction. The area is also home to a large northern elephant seal rookery, known as the Piedras Blancas Rookery, located 7 miles, 11 kilometers, north of San Simeon on Highway 1.
Well, no, man. Nap time right now, you know? Look like dead fish or something laying on the beach, but they're elephant. Oh, these guys are spooning.
That's a big ass rig.
Yeah.
She didn't seem inclined to chat.
Yeah, she's British.
I was worried I wouldn't be able to understand her anyways. Oh,
These two guys over here are spooning. Scratching his ass. More pan here. That's looking to the north, obviously. Wind about 40, 50 miles an hour.
potato chip.
Okay, you taking this inside because we're gonna go eat dinner here in a little bit, right?
Yeah, I am, because otherwise it's just thrown away. So we'll put it in there and put it in the basket. I'll take the basket in.
Alright. Okay, here we are. San Simeon, California, San Simeon Beach. And for those of you that don't know, San Simeon is also home to Hearst Castle. Thank you very much. What's your puppy's name? Chuckles. Chuckles. How you doing, man? All right. Where you guys from?
Bay Area.
We're from the opposite end.
Oh, nice.
Down south.
Nice.
This is actually the front door. And you go over this way, that's the patio where... Yeah, they got a full bar there. All right. Bathroom now. And Jeannie's already moved her stuff in. Look at that. Even give you robes now. You know what that is? And it's soaker tub. Totally in. Alright. Hey, how you doing? Oh yeah, check that out. That's totally cool. A little fireplace. Well, that's the inside of the room. That's the workbench. Tara's taking a break.
If you have to talk to him, you might ask him whether to go home to the campground.
Hey, how you doing? Huh? Oh, thank you. Well, we're just be real quick anyway.
What did you say?
It's free.
Oh, really?
We got two people in there working and they're not collecting money. What's wrong with that picture?
I don't know.
Coastal Discovery Center. There's restrooms here. I'm going to jet down to the room.
Yeah. Are these like locals or what?
Yeah, probably turistas, just like us. It's as big as a whale. We're about to set sail. Got me a Chrysler. Seats about 20. Yeah, baby. Bring some gas money. The Love Shack is a little place where we can get together. Sign says stay away, fool. Love rules at the Love Shack.